So today I will recap my swing trades from the last week. I think it's also important to make a recap from them because I have a 100k FTMO account where I trade my swing trades, and yeah, I made last week three trades for a swing trade, and two already got hit, take profit or stop loss. I will show it in a second, and one position is open for the next week, so I will explain the first position. The first position I have in Canadian dollar and Japanese yen, and here I'm into a long trade. You can see it on the daily time frame. I entered the trade on Thursday, pretty much like it's here shown on the trade. And yeah, for me it was a bullish scenario because one, we hit this Fairway gap here and make a move up, so reacted from the Fairway gap, but we didn't go more high above this high here. So I need to explain my strategy on swing trades is something like a smart money concept, but mixed also with support and resistance and something like that. It's funny to trade like that because normally I trade with ICT concepts or whatever, but yeah, it's a little bit funny to trade with support and resistance, but on high time frame, daily time frame, it really works for me. And yeah, so this is a resistance zone and we hit this zone and respected it and got back down to this Fairway gap. And so I thought if we close above this bullish candle with a bullish close, I make my entry. But yeah, like you see, oh, not the 4 minute. Like you see here, this was the daily close and this was the bullish close above the old high. So I needed to make my entry here and go long, but I missed the entry, and then I waited a little bit for a pullback and got my entry then here on Thursday. Yeah, this is pretty much my first trade. I have my first AP here and my second AP again, like it's, yeah, the support, the resistance zone, but yeah, it's more like an order block from this, more like this order block, which I have my second AP. I close my half position here, move my stop loss at break even, and then I want to watch how we react at this zone here. Yeah, this is pretty much my first trade, and yeah, it plays okay. I want to wait what is happening next week. The charts are looking pretty much nothing changed of my bias, and yeah. The second trade I made on silver, and there I already hit take profit, so I can show you this on the daily time frame. Oh, we are on the daily, so I waited for a close. Yeah, I trade also with patterns. It's a little bit funny, but yeah, of course, everyone knows that silver got a big sell-off here. Silver lost about 50% for an asset is really hard. It's not like a crypto asset, it's silver, and yeah, it's really hard, 50%. And but after this pullback we need to see again higher prices, so I waited and I entered also on Thursday, I think, because we have this good looking price action. We have higher highs, higher lows, so it's pretty much a good uptrend. And then I entered after we yeah, it was here on Thursday, I think, after we had, I think it's something like that, after we hit we had this nice candle again high up. So for me it was a perfect trend, uptrend, and I got my target here on this order block. Oh no, not this order block. My take profit was this high. So yeah, and take profit got hit yesterday on Friday, and I made profit about $1,600, I think. It's a good profit for a 100k account. Pretty much 1.5%. And yeah, this was a good trade. Then we come to the next trade. This was pretty much a gamble trade because of the political situation which we have right now in the Middle East. Yeah, I wanted to see that the oil prices go up because we have this massive move, and then I thought, okay, we ride with the trend and go more high and make some dollars. That's why I only had a small take profit stop loss and only risked about $300 I think, and yeah, I lost the trade on Friday also. Yeah, this was my 3 trades from last week, and for this week I'm watching at the coffee market on daily. Yeah, I watched the coffee market because we come back into this weekly fair value gap. We hit this weekly fair value gap. So for me, if we close bullish above this high here, if we close with a bullish candle on the 4 hour, so if we have something like that here, bullish candle closed, and this should be a candle. If a bullish candle close above this green line here, I want to enter a long trade here. If we break through this green line here, I want to make a short, because then we don't respect this weekly fair value gap. So for me it goes more short, but yeah, this is a trade idea for the next week. I want to watch the market and see how it reacts from certain levels, and yeah, that's it pretty much. More I don't have on my watch list because there's nothing. Heat oil, I'm out. On silver, I got stopped out with take profit, and here we are in the trade, and coffee will be my next market for the next week. I will review my next week if I took a trade. If not, I won't review it, but yeah, I wanted also to save it that I can rewatch it, and yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.